This is a short video about the heater in my Coleman Bayport. Underneath the cover, mine is fairly automatic, so I just have to make sure that this is showing in red and the breaker is reset. And then over here, this is the factory thermostat. And there's two things to know about the factory thermostat. Underneath, it's very hard to see, but there's a small lever. It must be pushed to turn it on. Pushed to the right. And then as you move the lever, the top lever, you'll hear a click where the system will start to call for heat as you slide it to the right. There, I think I heard the click. And then it takes a minute for the, there it goes. There's a little timer and it'll start the blower, and then the blower will satisfy the air proving switch, and then the ignition will light and the gas valve will open, and it lit and it's starting to heat up, and it will continue to heat until it reaches the target temperature at the thermostat. So the thermostat is near the floor, and of course it's going to be hot air rising, so you'll want to set it maybe a little bit lower, because hot air will be hotter up in the upper part of the pop-up. It's getting pretty warm. And then if I were to go and turn it off, and for instance I will set it back to low temperature, the heater is smart enough to continue to try to cool the burner. So if you shut it off, it's not gonna like run away with latent heat in the burner and possibly damage the heat exchanger coil in there. So it will continue to run, and then when it's cool enough, it will shut off the fan. Thanks.